Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the current time and model so you understand button labels. This prevents setting the wrong alarm. Press mode repeatedly until the or alarm icon appears. On many Casio digital watches, that takes 2 to 3 presses. Once done, avoid pressing ADJ or SET until the alarm screen is visible, because those buttons change values only within alarm mode. This ensures you enter the correct setting context and prevents accidental changes to time. Now you hold ADJ or SET to make the hour digits flash. That indicates editable fields. Use the forward or plus button to advance hours and the reverse or minus to go back. Once hour is correct, press mode or the next button to move to minutes. Change minutes the same way, and if your watch uses 12-hour format, make sure AM or PM is correct. In 24-hour format, you'll see leading zeros for single-digit hours. This step-by-step avoids off-by-12 mistakes. Press ADJ or SET once more to save your changes. The digits stop flashing and the watch returns to alarm display. Make sure you toggle the alarm to on so the alarm icon appears. Without that, the time won't trigger. If the alarm doesn't sound, check the battery first because low power often disables tones, and if needed, perform a quick reset of watch settings to clear glitches. If problems persist, consult the model guide for specific button mappings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.